Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best snow shovel is probably one of the most essential tools for surviving the winter season. But let's face it, hours of shoveling can be a real pain in the back, literally. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of snow shovels designed to save your back, exploring the features, and helping you find the perfect one to make snow removal a breeze. Number 5. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. Introducing the Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. This powerful tool makes removing snow from your sidewalks, patios, and steps a breeze during the winter months. It's designed to make your life easier. The Snow Joe features a tough, two-blade auger that clears an 11-inch wide and 7-inch deep path. It can throw snow up to 20 feet away. This ensures a clean and clear area. This cordless snow shovel offers convenient operation with its efficient battery and quick charger. It can clear up to 370 square feet per charge, and there's no need for gas or oil. It's all about ease of use. Weighing only 11.8 pounds, the Snow Joe is lightweight and easy to handle. The ergonomic dual-handle design provides comfort, reduces strain, and makes it highly portable. You can easily move it around. Equipped with a high-performance 400-watt motor, this snow shovel moves up to 75 pounds of snow per minute. It's ideal for small to medium areas, ensuring efficient performance every time. It's a great choice for your needs. What we like. This cordless snow shovel is incredibly convenient because it's battery-powered. It offers a powerful motor to clear snow quickly, and its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver. If you have a small area to clear, like a deck or steps, and you want something easy to use and store, you should consider this. What people say. The ergonomic design is great. The shovel is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It really does save your back. Number 4. Snowcaster 36-inch Bi-Directional Snow Shovel. This heavy-duty wheeled snow shovel is perfect for snow removal and other plowing projects. It's 50% more efficient than traditional snow shovels, thanks to its bidirectional, angled blade. The durable wheels increase speed and stability. You won't need to lift, saving you time and energy. This shovel makes the job easier. Snowcaster shovels are built to withstand tough conditions. Constructed with high-quality materials, it can handle snow, ice, and whatever else comes its way. You can easily assemble this shovel in under 10 minutes. It's user-friendly and designed for both residential and commercial use. All Snowcaster products are proudly made in the USA and backed by a 1-year warranty. They use earth-friendly materials and processes. What we like. This snow shovel features a bidirectional blade, which is perfect for wind-rowing snow. The wheeled design makes it easy to push, saving you time and energy. If you are looking for an efficient way to clear large areas like driveways or commercial spaces, this is the one for you. What people say. Though the Snowcaster is really lightweight, it does exactly what all the videos said it would, gets right down to plowing the snow out of the way. It cut the time it takes for me to do my huge driveway, from 90 minutes down to 27. It is super easy and much faster than using a traditional shovel. Number 3. Suncast 18-inch Snow Shovel and Pusher Combo. This snow shovel features an 18-inch wide blade. It's designed to clear driveways, sidewalks, steps, and pathways effectively. This makes snow and ice removal efficient and easy. The blade has an angled rib pattern. This efficiently collects and pushes snow. It minimizes effort while maximizing the amount of snow removed with each pass. It's crafted from heavy-duty resin plastic. This snow shovel is resistant to fading and durable against the elements. It's also easy to maintain, ensuring long-lasting performance. The ergonomic D-grip is combined with a curved 40-inch steel handle. This offers enhanced stability and comfort during use. It reduces strain and provides ease for repetitive snow-clearing tasks. This snow shovel provides ample leverage. It helps clear large areas quickly and effectively. This makes snow removal less strenuous and more efficient. What we like. This snow shovel has an ergonomic handle for comfort and a durable build for long-lasting use. The angled channels on the blade efficiently collect and push snow. If you like a comfortable and efficient snow removal experience, especially for driveways and sidewalks, you should consider this. What people say. The bend in it makes it so you don't have to bend your back. The tip of the shovel has a strip of steel so you can chop into the snow and not worry about the plastic chipping and breaking. This shovel makes quick work of anything from the light dusting to the 10 to 12 snowfalls. I especially appreciate the blunt fixed metal blade attached to the front of the shovel. It really helps your shovel cut through the stubborn snow patches, car tire tracks on your driveway boot marks, and is up to the task of breaking apart the lighter patches of ice. Number 2. CASL 26-inch Snow Shovel with Wheels. Introducing the 26-inch snow shovel with wheels from CASL. This innovative tool makes clearing snow from your driveway easier than ever. It's designed to save you time and energy. The handle is extendable, allowing you to adjust the height from 48 to 52 inches. This ergonomic design ensures you can push snow without straining your back. It's all about comfort. This snow pusher is built with an aluminum handle, polypropylene wheels, and a metal scraping blade. This combination of materials ensures durability and efficient snow removal throughout the winter. It's a reliable choice. The pivoting wheels allow you to easily glide around edges, sidewalks, and driveways. This feature makes it simple to navigate and clear snow from any surface. It provides excellent traction. The adjustable handle provides the perfect pushing angle, allowing you to move more snow with less effort. This design helps prevent back pain during snow removal. It's designed with your health in mind. CASL Brands backs this product with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. You can purchase with confidence knowing you're covered. It's a worry-free purchase. What we like. This snow shovel features an adjustable handle, allowing you to customize the height for comfortable use. The wheel design and ergonomic pushing angle help reduce strain and make snow removal easier. If you are looking for a back-friendly option to clear your driveway, you should consider this. What people say. I assembled this shovel myself and cleared my 100-foot driveway with it. Pushing it was like using the old-fashioned walk-behind lawn mowers, but easier. Easier than using a snow shovel to throw the snow in a pile that you then have to move later on. You just push the snow to one area, and yes, in some cases you have to still use the shovel. Number 1. Radius Garden 18 Snow Shovel. This snow shovel features a robust polypropylene blade, designed for longevity. It's built to withstand the rigors of winter, ensuring it remains a reliable tool season after season. The shaft is made of powder-coated steel, providing both strength and resistance to the elements. This design helps reduce strain, making the task of snow removal easier on your back. An aluminum scraper is included at the base of the blade. This feature helps to efficiently clear away snow and ice, ensuring a clean sweep with every pass. Its hybrid plow design makes it ideal for both light plowing and lifting snow. This versatility allows you to tackle various snow conditions with ease. The shovel includes a removable foregrip. This can be attached to other straight shaft tools, offering added convenience and adaptability for different tasks. What we like. This snow shovel is designed with a lightweight build and a back-saving foregrip. It also features a durable blade for effective snow removal. If you like a shovel that is easy to handle and helps prevent strain, you should consider this. What people say. It does what it advertised. Well built and should last a long time. This tool does the job. Came fully assembled. You can feel the weight when you lift it. And the round ergonomic handle in the back is a clever touch. Regardless, the shovel certainly works. At certain times I find it easier to shovel regularly, and at others it's easier to use the second handle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.